Hey everybody, Joel at Force Turbos here. Just want to show you some of the cool products that we have available for the factory Skidoo Turbo. This particular product is called the Boost Band. It goes into the stock intake system. These are known to heat soak when you're riding, causing a collapsing type condition which gives inconsistent airflow. So here's how you install this new product. You just squeeze it together like that and get it about that size. Grab it with a pair of needle nose pliers. Just push it in there. Turn it sideways. You want it roughly 2 to 3 inches from the intake. And then you just slide this out. Boost band installed. Now it's completely solid no matter the temperature of the rubber. And you take your other one, do the same thing, push them together, grab them with needle nose, go in this side, push it up in there, slide it out. Now this thing is solid. Check us out at forceturbos.com. Have a great day.